squash.
Let's go. Hey kids, do you want to squash the squash with the tires? Let's do it. What do you want to buy now? The yellow. What is this?
Squash.
A squash? That will be 2 rocks. 1, 2. There's 1 rock. I need 2. Just 2. Oh, thank you. Okay, ready? You want to cut it in half?
Yeah.
Right now is whole. Is it whole or half?
Whole.
We will cut it in half. Let's go. Cut it in half. Let's see. Whoa. What do you want to do? Do you want to squash the squash?
Squash.
Is it a circle?
Yeah.
Circle. And what color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Are we gonna squash the squash? Squash the squash. Ready, set, go! Look, as you watch the tire crush it, it squashes the squash, the tire will spin. It goes reverse. Go! Watch the tire spin and crush. It was awesome. Now let's see what a lawnmower can do to a squash. Oh no, a raccoon, get out of the way! The squash broke the lawnmower. Uh-oh.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days of the week. Come on and take a peek at Jonathan's Playhouse, living a double life.